Are you seeking to enhance your expertise in damp surveying and achieve industry-recognized certification? Our classroom-based Damp Surveyor Training course offers a comprehensive educational experience, equipping you with the advanced knowledge, practical skills, and credentials required to excel in this field. This is a classroom-based program, providing direct, in-person instruction from experienced professionals. Participants benefit from hands-on training, real-time guidance, and the opportunity to engage with instructors and peers in a collaborative learning environment. The course curriculum extends beyond foundational concepts, covering advanced techniques in moisture diagnosis, detailed damp surveying, and the identification of structural defects. Additionally, participants will gain an in-depth understanding of legal responsibilities, including compliance with AWAB's law. Beginning with the core principles of damp surveying, the course progresses to advanced diagnostic methods, the analysis of building defects, and the development of clear, professional survey reports. This structured approach ensures a thorough understanding of all aspects of damp assessment. The classroom setting allows for interactive learning, where you will apply diagnostic tools, explore real-world case studies, and receive direct feedback from industry experts. This immersive experience is designed to provide practical skills that are immediately applicable. Upon successful completion of the course, participants will undertake an assessment to earn their official certification as a damp surveyor, a credential that affirms your expertise and professionalism within the industry. We invite you to take the next step in your professional development. Secure your place now. Availability is limited. Click the link below, contact us directly, or visit our website for further details. Join us in the classroom and advance your career as a certified damp surveyor.